I'm mounting the spare tire vertically like this near the front of the trailer, and I'm actually going to anchor it with a ratchet strap that's going to go all the way around and then anchor into these wheel chock plates. Now, these wheel chock plates are part of a wheel chock tie-down kit from Strapinno. These are designed to work with a flatbed trailer. You basically mount them to the bed of the trailer, and then the ratchet straps go around the tire and lock into this E-track. But Strapinno has a bunch of different styles of ratchet straps, and when you're building a trailer, it's just a good idea to get a good collection of ratchet straps to keep in that trailer because you never know what you're gonna need to tie down in the back. The cool thing about these straps is they have a bunch of different weight ratings. So there's a 2-inch that can hold up to 10,000 pounds. They have 1.5 inch, 6,000 pounds. For large cargo, they have straps that are over 20 feet long with a pretty standard double J-hook at either end. They have the locking hook with the axle loop that we use a lot in automotive applications, and they even have the fixed hook hooked right up to the ratchet strap. The ratcheting mechanism inside has a patented deacceleration spring in there, and what that does is sometimes with these retractable straps, when you unhook them, they come flying back like a seatbelt. But these ones, when you unhook them, they actually slow down as they come back in. You don't have to worry about them flying back in, maybe flying over your shoulder, hitting your car, damaging it, or possibly hitting you. They're nice and safe. They're available in a bunch of different colors and a bunch of different styles. They are a great option to have in the trailer or in your tow rig for when you're out on the trail. Boom, Strapinno.